Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix quality unavailable on YouTube, and let's get started. First thing you're gonna do, check whether your YouTube application is updated to the latest version possible in your Play Store or App Store. After this, you are going to go here, like the main section of your phone, then find YouTube icon, press and hold to this, and click on this little info button. After this, you're going to click on force stop, then storage usage. You're going to clear cache. If it didn't work, you can actually clear data, but after this you need to log in again. So first try to clear cache. After this, some problems may also appear if you didn't give all permissions to YouTube application. For example, I didn't allow contacts, location and phone, but I didn't have any problems. So if you have them, try to giving all permissions to YouTube application and maybe that will help you. Also try to retouch your phone, maybe the problem is in your phone, and like this, the obvious step, and maybe the problem will be resolved. So I hope the video was helpful for you. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel if it actually was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.